Hi friends, today's video is a real special one because I'm decorating a creative journal spread for one of my lovely Patreon members, Gina. Gina is a tier 3 member, and as part of her membership she got to choose a journal of her choice and have me decorate a spread especially for her, which I'll be sending to her once I've finished. I designed this custom sticker kit for her, inspired by her favourite colour purple and her love of nature and butterflies, so this whole layout is going to be created with her in mind. These stickers are stunning and the colour scheme is beautiful, so I'm excited to do this spread. I hope you enjoy watching this creative process, and most of all I hope Gina loves her new journal and the spread that I end up creating. This is the journal that Gina chose and it's from Ty Fossey. It's called the Saluna Dot Grid Notebook and it's in black and silver. Gina chose the B5 size. I've never done a creative journal spread in a B5, so this is going to be a first for me. If you would like to get yourself a Ty Fossey journal, I do have a discount code. I'll put it in the description box for you, and I've got a link as well, so I'll put that in the description box for you. Can't wait to have a closer look at this one. I think it's going to be stunning. Let's have a look if I can get it out of the box. Ooh, it's a bit stiff. Oh look, oh it's beautiful. Look at the iridescent shine on it. Oh, it's stunning. I love that front cover. And that's the spine. The back is just plain black. Beautiful. Inside you've got the dot grid. Oh, you've got a bookmark. Look at that as well. Beautiful. Got a bookmark. Got a thank you card. Got a nice light dot grid. Look at the iridescent on there. And then you've got a pocket at the back as well. Gina requested a Dutch door spread, so that's what I'm going to do today. And she also put on a questionnaire that she'd like something interactive. So I'm going to do a window. And I've got all the stickers now. I've cut them all out and I've put them onto sticker backing. And I'm going to use these. So let's start. I'm not going to do anything on the name page. And I'm not going to use that page or that page. I'm going to start on this page here. I'm going to leave the first pages for Gina to do something with them. Just going to clip these pages down. Right, so I'm going to start on this page and start the first Dutch door. So let's have a look at the stickers. Right, I'm going to use some of these big stickers for the Dutch door. I'm going to take this one first. It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to put this about here, but I'm going to move it up because I don't want that top bit. I'm going to cut that off. I'm just going to lay that down there like that. Next, I'm going to take this big sticker here and I'm going to use this as a window, but it's also going to be part of the first Dutch door. So I'm going to lay it down about here. Like that. I like that. As this is my first Patreon spread I've ever done, I'm a bit nervous because I want her to love it so much. Right, I'm going to take this sticker. I'm going to put this at the bottom, which will finish off the first Dutch door. Do I want it? I do want that one. I'm going to put it about here. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon member, all the details will be in the description box for you. I have different tiers and you get different perks for your different tiers. I'm going to cut along here, all down here, and I'm then going to cut the inside of this out as well. I'm going to get my scissors and just trim this bit off. I'll stick that down there. And then I'll trim this bit off as well here. Right, let's turn it around like that. I'm going to grab the cutting mat. I'm going to put it underneath the page. Make sure there's only one page. I'm going to get my gyro cut and I'm going to go along the very edge of the sticker, cutting along the page. If you don't have a gyro cut, you can use a craft knife or even scissors. Gyro cut is a great tool to do this kind of thing. When I first got this gyro cut, I was awful at it, but the more you use it, the better you get. I'm going to remove this piece of paper and then we'll do the bottom bit. Always make sure you put a cutting mat underneath when you're doing Dutch doors because you don't want to cut into the pages underneath. Now I can remove this bit. That's the front of that Dutch door done. Now I'm going to create the window. So I need to get the cutting mat and pull that underneath. Now I'm going to use a craft knife to do in this bit. You can use a gyro cut to do this bit as well, but I want to get really close to the sticker, so I'm going to use my craft knife. I'm taking my time because I want this to turn out so perfect for Gina. Right, I can now remove this bit. It's just attached there, so let me just get my craft knife and just cut this little bit. There we are. So let's have a look. So there's the window, like that. I'm happy how that's turned out. It's beautiful. I've still got to do the back of it, but I'm going to do the next Dutch door first. So let's have a look what I can use for the next Dutch door. I think I'm going to use this here, this little bird house. I'm going to put it about here. Yeah, I think it'll look nice there. So I'll stick that down there. I'm now going to lay down some washi tape. I've chose some purple washi tape to match the spread. To work out where I want it. Should I stick it here? I think here will be a better spot. Some little lines on this washi tape, so I've just got to make sure that it's okay. Think that'll be okay. Right, I'll just trim these bits off. Like that. And clip this back. Right, I'm going to take my craft knife and very lightly cut around the sticker because I want to remove the washi tape that I've put on the top of it. Really, I should have put the washi tape down first. Now I'm going to lift this washi tape off the sticker. And this is going to be the second Dutch door. Just need to straighten this washi tape a little bit. That's better. Now we can cut it out. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's going to look nice. Right, I'll cut this one out now. I'll speed the process up. And that's that Dutch door done. Let's have a look at it with this one. Beautiful. So I've just got to do the back of that Dutch door, but I'm going to do the next Dutch door. I just need to decide which sticker I'm going to use for the next Dutch door. I use this mushroom. I'm going to put it here at the bottom so it's peeking out from the washi tape. Stick that down there like that. And now I need to add some washi tape to this one. So this the one looks like that. I might get a darker colour. I think this one will be nice. I'm just going to put it up to the other washi tape. So about there. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm just going to trim off these ends. And trim this bottom bit. And again, I forgot to put the washi tape down first, didn't I? So I'm going to have to cut around the mushroom. Let's have a look. I think this is turning out really nice. So now I just need to cut around the mushroom and along the washi tape like I did with the other pages. And that's that Dutch door. I'm going to put the washi tape on the back of this one. I'm going to put it along the here, right up to the edge. I'll just trim this bit off. And this bit. Let me take this sticker and stick it down. It's not the mirrored image. I'll have to come back to that bit after. I still need to do the back of each of these Dutch doors. I'll do the back of this one. Right, I'm going to put the washi tape along here. Getting it right up to the edge. Like that. I'll just trim these little bits off. And I'll cut this bit. Let's see if I've got the mirrored image of this sticker. I think I have. So now I can stick this on the back, and this one will fit perfectly here. With the mushrooms, I didn't print out the mirrored image. That looks good. Like that. I've still got to do the back of this Dutch door. I'll come back to that later, because I want to do the back page. I'm going to take some more washi tape for here. I'm going to use this washi tape. It's called Love Letter. I got this washi tape from Journal Say. I've got an unboxing video for Journal Say. I'll link it in the description box for you. I love this washi tape. It goes with any spread. I always make sure I've got plenty of this tape in. I'm just cutting off all the bits that are hanging over the page. If you enjoy creative journaling videos like this one, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. It really helps support my channel. Right, let's put the page down. That looks nice with that. I've still got to do the back of this Dutch door, but not yet. I've still got to do the back of that one. Let's do this one now. I need to have a look for them stickers. I'm going to stick this one down. Just make sure I get it in the right spot. Might be best if I turn my journal around. Well, it's not my journal, is it? It's Gina's. There we are. Trim this bit off. I'm going to do some sticker surgery and cut a little leaf off this one, because I've got a little gap that I want to fill. So I've got this little bit of a leaf, and I'm just going to stick it down here, like that. Right, I need the big sticker now, don't I? And this one has been mirrored, so this should fit perfectly on the back of here. If I find the right way to put it. It is that way. Right there. Lay it down there like that. I need to cut this bit out so it goes back to a window. So I'll put my cutting mat underneath and I'll grab my craft knife and cut round. And that's now back to a window. Just got to do this bottom bit and then this Dutch door will be fully finished. I'm going to put a different sticker on the back of this one, but it's still going to fit and look nice. So I'll put it about here, like that. And I'll find a little sticker to put at the bottom. I think this one will look okay. Yeah, I'll put this one here. And I'll just trim the bottom off. And I'll put a little bit of a sticker here. Like that. Beautiful. I really want this spread to feel personal and thoughtful. I'm really keeping Gina in mind as I work on this. I want to fill in these little gaps that I've got. So I'm looking at the stickers and seeing what I should put down. I'm going to take this floral first. I'm going to put it at the top. I just need to trim off these little bits here. So I'll take my scissors and trim these off. Gina told me she liked butterflies, so I've done plenty of butterfly stickers. So I'm going to add a butterfly now. I'll take this little one. I'm going to stick it here at the top. We've got a gap here, so I need something here. Let's have a look. I'll take another butterfly. And now I need something at the bottom here. I think I'll add a floral sticker. I'll take one of these. I'll put this right at the bottom. That's going to look nice. And I think I'll add one more butterfly. Like that. Looks pretty. Now I need to find a sticker for in the middle of the window. So let's have a look. I'm going to take this frog sticker. I like this sticker. Look at it, it's beautiful. So I'm going to put it here under the window. I don't know if Gina likes frogs or not. I hope so. That looks beautiful. Now we need to find something to put here. So when the window's closed to this side, we see something. I'm going to add this fox. I'll stick it about here. Like that. And that's the peekaboo window done. Now I'm going to go through each page and decorate it even more and add some boxes. Need to add a day sticker. Oh, I can't find the Monday. It's gone missing. I'll have to leave that for now then. Add some boxes. Need to leave space for the Monday sticker because it's not here. I'm going to take one of these dark purple boxes and I'm going to put it here. I want to add some more boxes. I'll add another one here. I need to remember to leave room so Gina can journal. Can't fill all the pages with stickers, can I? I'm going to add a butterfly here. Butterflies add such a soft, magical feel. Because this spread isn't for me, I'm taking my time. This video is a little bit longer than normal. Feel free to pause the video, go make yourself a nice warm drink and come back. Right, so I'm going to add some more boxes. I'm going to take this light purple one. I'm going to put it down here. Now I need to see what else I would like to add to this page. You know what, I'm going to move on to the next page and come back to this page. I'm going to put a day sticker down. So I'm going to put Tuesday here. And these 2 pages are going to be for Gina to write about Tuesday. I'll add some boxes now. Let's have a look. I've put this blue one down. It's a beautiful colour blue, isn't it? I'm going to put a purple one with it as well. And I'm going to put this dark purple one here. And then I'm going to put the blue one right up to it here. Don't these 2 colours go lovely together? Right, let's have a look. I'll add a butterfly here. Oh, this one's got 2 butterflies. Right, we need something up here, don't we? Let's have a look. I'm going to add another box. I'll put this light purple one up here. I'm going to come back to this page. I'm going to move on to the next one. I'm going to add the day stickers on both of these pages. So I'm going to put Wednesday on this page and Thursday on this one. There's a couple of boxes on these pages. I'm going to take this one. It's got a cute weasel on it. I think it's a weasel. Put it down here. I'm really enjoying decorating this B5 journal. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I've never used a B5 for a creative journal. I do use a B5 for my content planner. I'll take this one and I'm going to put it up here. I'm adding boxes so Gina can journal special things that happen that day, or how she's feeling that day, or what the weather's like that day, or whatever she wants to write in the boxes. I'm going to add this double box here and I've put a cute little squirrel on it. I'm going to move on to the next page. At the end, I always come back and fill in the pages with a few more stickers. So I'm going to put the day stickers down. This page is going to be for Friday. And then I'm going to put Saturday and Sunday on this page. Got plenty of room because it's a B5. If you're using an A5, then you just do an extra Dutch door. And that will give you some more pages so you can have a full page for each day. Right, so I'm going to add some boxes to Friday's page. Actually, I'm going to put one box here at the bottom of this page. I'm going to let it poke out a little bit so the flowers can be seen. So I've put it here. And I'm going to close the page, you can see the flowers. I'm going to grab a couple of boxes for Friday's page. Take this blue one, and this light purple. I'm going to put this blue one down here. And I'm going to put a light purple one up to it there. I've already added a fox, haven't I? So let's add something different. I'll put this bird down here. It's very pretty sticker, isn't it? Being able to create custom spreads like this means so much to me. It's nice to know that Gina will have one of my spreads in her journal. I'm really happy with how this is coming together. Right, now I'm going to go through the whole spread and add the final details and bring it all together. I'm going to add this owl sticker that I've got. I'm going to put this at the top of this page here. That looks nice there. I'm going to go through the whole spread and add lines to each of the pages, and then I'll come back and show you what I've done. Right, I'm back. I've added lines to all the pages using a Tombow brush pen. These are the stickers that I've got left to use. I've added the Monday sticker and some florals on this page and a butterfly. So as you can see, I've done lines on each of the pages. I think we're going to add some stickers to this page, and these could do with a bit more as well. So let's have a look what we've got. This one's okay like that. I'm going to add another sticker on this page. I'll take this like journal. I'm going to put it here next to this box. And I'll add a butterfly as well. I'm going to put it here. Move on to the next page. I think I'll add another box. So I'm going to take this dark purple one and put it here at the bottom. Like that. We need to put a sticker with that box. So let's see. I'll take this one, this feather, and I'll just put it here. I really want to add this because I really like this watch. Could put it there. That looks nice there, doesn't it? Move on to this page. Let's see what I can add on to this page. I need something there. I'll add a feather. And I'll add this journal. I think a butterfly as well there would look nice. I'll take the dragonfly actually and put it here. I'm not going to add any more stickers on these pages because I want to leave room for Gina to journal. I want to add this one. Don't think it goes there. I think I'll put it on this page. I think that's a perfect spot for that sticker. I'm going to add this little mushroom down at the bottom here. And I'm going to add this butterfly here. Right, I'm definitely finished now. I'm loving how it's turned out and I hope Gina loves it too. Let's have a flick through and see the finished spread. There's them pages. So pretty. And look at the window. I love the peekaboo window. And that's those pages. And then these ones. I love the colour theme of this spread. I hope Gina likes it. If you like it, let me know in the comments. And that's the finished weekly creative journal spread for Gina. I really hope she loves it. Creating something personal is always incredibly special to me. Thank you so much to my Patreon members for supporting my creative work and making projects like this possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!